Hi guys! Today we are going to show you our mom and dad's business. They work at wrestling. My slipper fell off. This is
sabihin.
just a clean van. And
What are you doing sa business?
And what they do in the business is clean some places, and sometimes when we are at school, they go to work and they come at midnight.
They clean kamo schools.
No, I'm having this.
They're cleaning schools,
Yeah, they're cleaning schools,
medical center.
and like some centers. And this is the van. It's really big. That has a lot of words
It's
on
okay.
it.
Come on.
This is another piece of it. And then this is
Ganda
where
natin.
you've got more super insects. Okay, and then we have the front. And you can see from the front, it looks pretty big.
Ah.
What's this, Mommy?
That's okay. That's enough for that one. We are not doing that one. So go in there. We will tour you now.
We have the garden. So first, we have this garden. That has, what's this called?
Cactus.
A cactus, but kind of like, it's different kind of cactus. And when you look closely, it has these white little spikes on it. And then
This one.
we have this one that is dying. Also, what's this called?
Tulip.
Yeah. We have tulip. And we have this one right here. Here that has white rocks inside. What's this called, Mommy?
Cactus. Then,
Cactus. And they actually have little spikes that don't hurt. And then we have this one that's growing. What?
It's okay.
Is this a cactus?
Okay na.
And then we have the red roses.
No, tulip yan.
Oh, okay. Okay. Tulip. And then right here we have cactus.
Where?
Here. These ones.
Yes.
And then we have these small plants we have to be careful with. We have both of them. And then we have this yellow one right here.
That's jade.
Yeah. And then we come over here, we have this little teapot house that can actually open the door. And it says home sweet home. And what it has in it, like a little cactus, white stone, so it looks actually pretty. And guys, you can also see it too if you want to. And then we have these really nice plants that are really soft. We also have one here that also has some white spikes in it. What's this one?
Where is it?
They're on the sides.
Just put it down. Kasi nakaano.
Let me show you. Yes. This is our little pathway to come through. We also have that dirt so that the grass can grow. Is it tulip?
Yes.
And then we have these yellow tulips. And we have more that's already growing fast with white stones. And then we have this little wheel that has some cactus with it. Just for a little
There.
decoration.
There.
Then, oh, if you're wondering what that is a greenhouse. And look, Mommy, show them the kiwis that we have.
Okay.
We have kiwis and more tulip, and we also have more that we're using a wheel for garden.
It's for the
decoration.
cactus.
Yeah. And then we have more roses.
Tulip. That's tulip.
Yeah, tulip. And then we have these things. Alright, let's go to the
Parsley.
greenhouse. Come on, guys. Let's go to the greenhouse. Right, over here is the greenhouse. And before we go in, we have these little plants.
Rose yan.
Alright. Come in, guys. Alright, let's open it up. Yeah. Go in.
That's our seedlings. Come up for summer.
Where all my mom's seeds are. So right now, these plants are growing.
And what's that? That's chili pepper.
We have chili pepper. What's these?
That's pak choy.
We have
Pechay.
pechay. We have sticks for decoration on them.
Hindi yung decoration.
For shade.
No, support.
Yeah, support. And we have this little thing where we can add some plants.
Gutter yan.
Oh.
That's a gutter for strawberry.
And then we have this
Hindi pa siya nag-grow.
that can grow. And these little green things in these plants are some poisonous stuff because some birds always
Slugs.
keep eating our seeds.
No, the slugs.
Oh yeah, and slugs. So they can die. And then we also have this one right here
Open mo.
that has bitter melon. And one is some are growing.
Open it now.
This?
Yeah, they need air.
Flowers.
What else in there?
We also have
Yan, okra.
okra.
Mm-mm.
And this is for shade.
Yeah, because okra, ayaw niya ng malamig.
Okay, so this is okra. Some are already growing really fast. This is, what's this called, Mommy?
Eggplant.
Oh, eggplant. Egg.
Torta yon, eggplant lang yan. Ito yung
Oh.
eggplant.
Okay, so these are the eggplants. And what's this?
That's spring onion.
Here.
Yeah.
Onion. And then we have, what's this called?
Let me see. That's all sili.
Silly.
Sili, oo.
Silly. And then silly. We also have
Upo.
upo. That's really growing really fast.
Yeah.
And we have one more thing here.
Wait. And there, yeah. You see?
And then we come all the way to the end where the plants are. And we also have this little plant, Mommy. Where should we put it?
That's a cactus. Just put it.
Okay, so we have a cactus. Alright, let's go out, guys. It's getting a wee bit hot in here.
Yes, that. Kaya nga, greenhouse.
Okay, let's go out.
There's some fertilizer in there. Yeah, just put it down.
Alright. Just careful with it. We have